Welcome back to Project X Garage, everyone. And if you're new here, thank you for joining us. And if you have been with me before, hey, thanks for joining along and continuing to support the channel. I appreciate it very much. And if you guys could take time and hit the like button, if you see something you like here today, it'll help everybody out. Well, not everybody, me. It helps me out tremendously. Anyhow, let's get right into it. Today's topic is me and my son went to VIR, Virginia International Raceway. And while we were there, we signed up to do a hot lap, and I got in a BMW M5 competition. Christian rode in an Lexus LC 500. So without further ado, let me take you to what it's like to ride around the Patriot Course in a BMW M5 with a professional driver.
Yesterday, that's one of the transmission went.
Here we are doing the hot lap today.
Just to play with it, so.
Alright, here we go. Oh, I like this. Oh, yeah. You've done this track before.
Once or twice.
I love that chicane. Boy, that's a fun turn there.
Yeah, the track's really fun. It's a short little track, and it's got a lot of character.
It does. Oh, I'm definitely impressed at it. She goes in heavy. She definitely goes in heavy.
She's heavy. And she comes out strong.
Comes out real strong. Awesome, dude. That is awesome. You are a very good driver, my friend. Boy, I appreciate that ride. I appreciate the hell out of that. Thank you so much. Oh, my name's Rich.
I'm Anthony. Nice
Anthony,
to meet you.
pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much for the time and the ride, man.
Absolutely.
That was awesome, man. Thanks.
Yep.
Appreciate it.